Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So this is day 3 of our daily stand-up. Gasha, yeah, you can continue.
Okay, thank you. I wanted to raise one issue with the week team challenge.
Okay.
As like the previous project work, I didn't have complete data for the challenge, and I think we'll need to collect additional data.
Mm, yes,
So
but yeah, okay,
when
continue.
we try to get data that will be additional for the already given data, and the data attribute the data that we get when we follow the link is different, and the data is not available easily, and in short, there is no uh, good availability of data. And due to this, I have to face to the challenge. Can I to continue within the current data, or is this mandatory to incorporate additional data for the week 10 challenge?
Okay, so Gasha, so what I want to ask you is like, did you find the data folder on the Google Drive? Are you
Yeah,
talking?
I have got. Yeah,
Okay, there
I have get 43 rows or 43 records. I
there
have
are
them
like
by, yeah,
three files there. Have you read
yeah,
them?
3
Like
files.
the
Yeah,
Ethiopia file unified data, the additional data point in the reference code. So
and the
have you
readme
got?
like, yeah,
Yes, yes, okay.
I
So
have them by the data.
you're asking like if we provide another data or like.
Yeah, for the in the instruction of the challenge, the instruction requested us to add additional data in addition to the given data.
Yes, but like for now, have you started with the already given data?
I have started and well done by the given data.
Okay, so
Is this
you're asking.
mandatory to add? Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Is
so
this
you
mandatory or not? የሚለውን ነው ማወቅ የፈለግኩት additional data መጨመር።
okay, so for now, ካገኘ you should add additional data, but once if you finish already like with already given data, it's fine for now. But have you tried to get an additional data points? Ways are you unable to do that? What's the reason to not getting an additional?
ያ ምክንያቱም አንደኛ ያው ኢንስትራክሽኑ ላይ ሌላ ዴታ የምንፈልግበት ሊንክም ስለተቀመጠ ያንን መፈለግ ስፈልግ ያገኘኋቸው ዴታዎች በዴታ አትሪቢዩቱም በምኑም ስለሚለይ እንደገና ከዛኛው ጋር ዳይሬክት ሪሌትድ የሆነ በሮም በኮለመን አክቹዋሊ በኮለመን 34 ኮለመን ያለው ነው ዋና ለአናሊሲስ የምንጠቀመው ዴታ ከረንት ላይ የተሰጠን ከዛ ጋር አብሮ የሚሄድ ዴታ በኔቸሩ አላገኘሁም። አንድ ኢሹያ ነው። ሁለተኛ ያው እስካሁን ስንሰራው ከነበረው የዴታ አናሊሲስ ስራ ብዙ ዴታ እየተጠቀምን ነው። ይሄኛው ትንሽ ምናልባት ስላነሰ 43 ሪከርድ ብቻ ይዘን ያን አናሊሲስ መስራቱ በቂ ነው ወይ ለቻሌንጁ የሚለው ኮንሰርን ስላደረገኝ ነው።
Oh, yes, you're right. Like previous projects, it's just a little bit different and it's a little less data than the other ones. That's really, yeah, that's true. But we want you guys to like, this is a real life project, like it's already like been doing by other companies. So we want you guys to do you like to give your input as well, not just our data. So try think of like analytics ምን ያደርጋል ብላችሁ ማለት ነው። So we want you guys to visualize like you are a data analyst or data engineer on that company and ይሄ ዳታ ብቻ ቢሰጣችሁ like what would have what did you do? What would you do የሚለውን ነው ማየት የምንፈልገው አንደኛው ማለት ነው። so try to gather data እና ባለው ከሰራ like pipeline ከሰራልህ እና what to do እና ምን መደረግ አለበት የሚሉትን ከጨረስክ በኋላ now if you have time like እስከ ማክሰኞ ድረስ ታይም አለ you finish that ማለት ነው። seeing the challenge that complicated or እንትን ስለሌለው just ዴታዎቹን አንደርስታንድ ማድረግና ፕሮጀክቱን መስራት ነው። ከዛ በኋላ ያሉትን ታይሞች try to fetch data እና try another like different methods to do that.
Okay, thank you. So I will try within all the tasks by the given data, and if I face any challenge, I will raise on the
yes, you can DM
standard.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Also you can DM. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gasha, for sharing, and that's a really good insight. And this means like you're working on the project, and from your stand-up, I assume like you have done with already the given data. So that's really amazing. Thank you, Gasha. So Sharon, Jonathan, like if you can open your mic. If you can't, just put it on the comment on the chat. Sharon Kuye. Like, have you started the project or any blockers so far? Jonathan, you can also go ahead.
Okay, okay. Like I don't have any blockers right now, but it's kind of conceptual things. Like as Gasho mentioned earlier, like the data sets and the like enrichment part, which is like ምንድነው ይሄ አንደኛ ዳታውን ከሌላ ቦታ ላይ መፈለጉ it was kind of like ከእንትኑ ጋር ፕላስ ሪድሚው ላይ ደግሞ የሚለው ፓርት አለና ይሄ like ስኬማውን በጠበቀ መልኩ መስራት የሚለው ፓርት ሶ ያገኘኋቸው ዳታዎች አክቹሊ አላይን የሚያደርጉ አሉ ግን like እነሱን ብጠቀማቸው ሞዴል የምጠቀመውን ምናምን አስቤ ነበርና ቅድም ደግሞ የነበረው እንትን ላይ which is ይሄ ምንድነው አፕሮች ፎርካስቲንግ አፕሮች ላይ አንዳንድ ኢንሳይቶችን አግኝቼ ነበረ which የምንጠቀማቸው ሞዴሎች እና አሪማ ምናምን ስላልሆኑ ሶ አሁን ያለን ዳታ ላይ የተወሰነ መጨመራችን it's basically not that much mandatory so የተወሰነ ዳታ ያገኘሁት እኔ
ተጠቀሙ ነው ያላችሁ ሲምፕል ሞዴሎች እንድትጠቀሙ ነው like suggest የተደረጋችሁት አፕሮቹ ላይ የተወሰኑት እንትኖች like log metric ነው I think ካልረሳሁት something like log እና logistic rows and I think I would assume you would use those models since that's not really like a great data ስለሌለ like ብዙ ስለሌለ ያለውን ሲምፕል ፎርካስት የሚያደርግ ነገር ነው። ይሄ ሞር ኦፍ እንዴት ነው የእናንተንም አናሊሲስ እና የእናንተንም ቲንኪንግ ይፈልጋል ለፕሮጀክት። እንደሌላው ጊዜ like more data ሲኖራችሁ you can always depend on the data to give you future forecast ብዙ አይነት አናሊሲሶች ምናምን this one is a little bit different, right? Your analytical thinking and critical thinking actually ትንሽ like on test የሚያደርግ project ነው. So that's why it's a little different from the others. So የእናንተንም input ይፈልጋል not just the data ብቻ given የሆነው ማለት ነው.
Yes. So I've got for the like inputs like for the data
ከምን ላይ ያገኘ ዳታዎች can you share it to ጋሻውም እየጠየቀ ስለነበር
of course like አንደኛው ከእንትን ላይ ነው ከናሽናል ባንክ ኦፍ ኢትዮጵያ ሪፖርቶች ላይ ነው አንደኛው ደግሞ ከቴሌብር ሪፖርት ላይ ነው which is እንትኖቹ ይሄ ምንድነው ኒውስ ኢንሳይትስ የሚለቁት እንትኖች አሉ አይደል አዲሽናል ዳታ የሚለው ፓርት ላይ ሊንኮች አሉ አይደል ከዛ ላይ የቴሌብር I mean የኢትዮ ቴሌኮም የኤምፔሳ ኤንድ ናሽናል ባንክ ያሉትን ዳይሬክት ሪሌትድ የሚሆኑ ቶፒኮችን አግኝቼ ነበር እና ከነሱ ላይ ኒውሱን ነው እንትን ያሉት።
ማኑዋሊ እየገባህ ነው ወይስ ላይክ ስክሪፐር ተጠቅመህ?
አክቹሊ ማኑዋሊ ነው። ላይክ ሶ ከእንትኑ ጋር ሪሌት የሚያደርገውን ከሪከርድ ታይፑ ጋር ከካታጎሪው ከፒላሩ ጋር ምናምን እና እነሱን ሪሌት ያደረግኩኝ ነው ያስገባኋቸው። ሶስት አይ ቲንክ ሶስት ነው መሰለኝ ሶስት ያለው ማለት ነው። ሶ የቴሌ ብርን የኤምፔሳን እና የናሽናል ባንክን ኦብዘርቬሽኖችን ወስጄ ነው አድ ያደረኳቸው ማለት ነው።
That's really good. So yeah, this is what we are like. We want you guys to do. So that's exactly what you're doing. You're trying to add data. So that means at least you have an understanding of the project. So yeah, just as always, Jonathan, you're doing really amazing. Thank you for sharing as well. So can you share it for Gashao as well? You can talk to DM Gashao. Can you hear me?
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, so talk to you, Nathan, and like yeah, try to get more data. So if you found also another like points, another sites that you can gather, communicate. So data like it's community work and it's a group work. Always, Ethiopia is it's not enough data, right?
Yeah,
so sharing is always appreciated on this kind of things. So try to share with Jonathan. So Jonathan, are you okay with that, right?
Yeah, that's okay. Like the እንትኖቹ አሁን like ከነ IMF እና ከወርልድ ባንክ which is ምንድነው ኢንዴክስ ላይ ያሉት ዳታዎች ስክሪፕት መደረግ ይችላሉ ግን it needs more time like አሁን በተሰጠን ፕሮጀክት ጊዜ ስኬጁል እሱን ሁሉ like የሁሉንም ሀገራቶች ስለሆነ ፖስት እያደረጉ ያሉት
I understand.
ለዛ
yes, just our understanding ካላችሁና for the project like baseline and the big picture ካያችሁት you can like now you can know like what to do, right? Like ምን አይነት ዳታዎችን ከምን ላይ መሰብሰብ እንዳለብህ just time constraint ብቻ ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። in gathering of the data ነው የሚሆነው። so now you know the big picture. so Findex like this is very important ማለት ነው። like ብዙ ካምፓኒዎች they depend on this data like ነገር ላንች ሊያደርጉ ሲሉ ገቨርንመንት ፖሊሲ ሊያወጣ ሲል like they depend on this kind of data. so the problem is every 3 years ነው የሚወጣው እነዚህ ነገሮች። so what happened like ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ በዚህ 3 years ጋፕ ውስጥ የሆነ ሰው መጥቶ ቢጠይቅ ይህ ዳታ አይኖረውም ማለት ነው። so that's we're trying to solve ማለት ነው። the bigger picture ስታዩት like ታስኩን ለመከፋፈል እና እንትኑ ይረዳቸዋል ብዬ ነው። so that's why we're doing this project. so yeah, since እንዳልኩ ነው የታይም ኮንስትሬንት ምናምን ሊኖር ይችላል but overall like the end to end ባለው ዴታ ከሰራችሁት it's really amazing ማለት ነው። so try to share with Gashao as well. And thank you again Jonathan for sharing. Okay, Abbas, you can share. Yeah, you can write it on the chat as well, Abbas, if you can speak. Have you started the project? Okay, I guess not. So thank you guys for being here. Okay, I'm on the road. Please, Abbas said I'm on the road. Yes. Okay, so no worries, Abbas. Thank you for being here, guys. Have a good afternoon.